Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by writing a simple HTML anchor around an image element. Wrap an img tag inside an href equals URL tag to make an image a link. Use a full URL or relative path inside href for correct navigation. Include alt text like alt equals description for accessibility and SEO. Keep the image file path correct and test in your browser to confirm it works. Use quotes around attributes and close both tags properly to avoid errors. This method works in most web pages and HTML editors. Next, control how the linked image behaves when clicked by adding attributes. Add target equals blank to open the link in a new tab if desired. Use rel equals nupener nor furrer when target equals blank for security. Set image size with width equals 300 or style equals max width, 100% for responsive layouts. You can also add title equals tooltip text to show helpful hover information. Keep sentences and attributes clear to avoid HTML validation errors. Test the link on desktop and mobile to ensure consistent behavior across devices. Finally, use CSS or your CMS tools to refine presentation and accessibility. Wrap the anchor in a container and use CSS for spacing and display control. Most CMS editors let you link images with their insert or link tools. Add area label equals description for links that lack descriptive visible text to help screen readers. When using CSS, set display, block or display, inline block to control layout precisely. Always validate your HTML and test keyboard navigation for accessibility. This final step ensures usability, responsiveness, and compliance with basic web standards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.